Have you ever wondered how everyday objects seem to have a mind of their own? Automatic doors, fitness trackers, even your smartphone? They all rely on tiny computers called microcontrollers. These miniature marvels are revolutionizing the way we live, and at the heart of this revolution lies Arduino. Arduino is an open-source platform that makes it incredibly easy for anyone to work with electronics. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or a complete beginner, Arduino provides you with all the tools you need to bring your creative ideas to life. Imagine creating your own interactive installations, building robots that respond to their environment, or even developing smart home devices. Arduino makes all of this possible and more. But how does this seemingly simple board empower such incredible feats of engineering? The answer lies in understanding the ingenuity of its design and the power of open-source collaboration. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the world of Arduino, exploring its components, the magic of its programming language, and the limitless possibilities it unlocks. At the heart of every Arduino board lies a tiny but powerful brain called a microcontroller, or MCU. Think of the MCU as the control center of your Arduino, responsible for processing instructions and making decisions. Surrounding the MCU are several pins which act as the interface between the Arduino and the outside world. These pins come in two flavors, digital and analog. Digital pins are like light switches capable of being either on or off, while analog pins are more like dimmer switches, able to sense and output a range of values. To power up our electronic creations, we need a source of energy, and that's where the power supply comes in. The Arduino can draw power either through a USB connection to your computer or through an external power source, giving you the flexibility to power your projects in various ways. And finally, we have the USB port, which serves as the communication bridge between the Arduino and your computer. It's through this port that you upload your code, the set of instructions that tell the Arduino what to do. Now that we have a grasp of the Arduino's hardware, let's explore how we breathe life into our circuits using code. The Arduino IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is a free software that provides a user-friendly platform for writing, uploading, and testing code. The beauty of the Arduino IDE lies in its simplicity. It uses a simplified version of C++, a popular programming language, making it easy for beginners to get started with coding. Once you've written your code, you connect your Arduino to your computer via USB and hit the upload button in the IDE. The code is then compiled, transforming it into a language the MCU understands, and sent to the Arduino. The MCU stores this code in its memory and starts executing the instructions line by line. Let's illustrate this process with a classic example, making an LED blink. In the Arduino IDE, we write a few lines of code that tell the Arduino to turn an LED connected to a specific pin on for a certain duration, then off for another duration, and repeat. We upload this code to the Arduino, and voila! The LED starts blinking as instructed. This simple example demonstrates the power of Arduino in bridging the gap between the digital world of code and the physical world of electronics. But the true magic of Arduino lies in its versatility. Arduino is being used in countless applications, from controlling motors and sensors in robotics, to building interactive art installations, and even creating custom musical instruments. As we move towards an increasingly connected world, platforms like Arduino will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of technology. By empowering individuals to become creators and innovators, Arduino is democratizing the world of electronics and paving the way for a new generation of makers.